Hey guys, I'm back with another video and this is day 10 of our 30 days mastering Photoshop program. If you haven't enrolled and haven't checked any before of the videos, go go on my visit my channel and hit on the playlist. So today we are on day 10 and I'm going to talk about understanding color balance in Photoshop. With this photograph on the Photoshop screen, I'm going to use the color balance filter from the adjustment layer down here in the layer panel, and you will see something like this kind of different cyan, red, magenta, green, yellow, blue kind of filters. And here in the tones above there is shadows, midtones, and highlights. As it says, highlights are the brightest, midtones are the grays or the middle tones in between the shadows and highlights, and shadows are the darker sides of the photograph. So I'm in right now in highlights, increasing the reds to the red. So you can see there is too much red in our highlighted areas. If I go towards cyan, it's the tone completely blue. I kind of like somewhere in the middle, like here. And now let's see what happens if I go towards magenta and it's green. As the color says, the places where there is highlight in the photograph, it's all changing its color to that particular color. You can see whites are now going much yellower. And if I go towards blue, it's going into a blue shade. So somewhere here I will now change it to shadows, and you can see how the shadows are getting towards that color, that tinge of color. And then the midtones are generally the most part of your photograph. Here you can see the whole our model is getting affected completely with this tone. So you can go ahead and check out how you are changing it all. And here we are with that particular effect. Again, you can see it's not hampering our earlier photograph. Original is original and the effects are always done in the next layer. So you guys know the trick to use the masks in its best way, and you can anytime have a new kind of mixed or combination kind of look from all the effects that you have just using the simple masks. If you want to know about masks in deeper, you can just click on the link in description below, or it's on the head right now, so just check it out. So here we are with a quite nice, it's not overdue, it's a subtle effect of color balance filter that we have in our highlights, shadows and midtones. So I hope this tutorial has helped you to know much more about our favorite Photoshop tool for photo editing. I would like to know which kind of filter you are gonna use next time to edit your photos. And don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Subscribe to our channel if you haven't yet, and hit the bell icon to do not miss the next video.